Hi, good evening, everyone. So first, we'll take your doubts, then we'll discuss joint parts and aggregate functions. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Hello, am I audible, right?
Yeah, hi Subindu.
Yeah.
Subindu, coming from yesterday, if you were there in the session, I asked for week 2.5, if we can take up that.
Yeah.
Question 3 onwards.
Okay.
There was, again, the answers that were showing up, I have a disconnect over there. So maybe it would be a good idea to understand that better.
Okay. Yeah. Question three, right?
Question 3 onwards.
Okay.
Question
Okay, I
3,
will.
4, 5, and
Okay.
6.
Okay, I will discuss one by one. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there is in the graded SQL assignment and also the practice assignment. After I submit I do test run, then it is showing that all test cases like 100 out of 100. But after I submit, it is showing 0 out of 100. So, is there any problem?
Hello. Yes, 0 out of 100 or 0 out of 0 private test cases.
Oh, 0 out of 0.
Okay, yeah, that is fine because we don't have any private test cases in SQL, right? If you
Okay.
have done the test run and you are getting 100 by 100, then you can submit. But the thing you should not hard coded that particular thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If your query is correct and if you are getting 100 by 100, then no problem. You can submit it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, Subhendu.
Okay, so let me share my screen. So this question, right? Hello.
Yes, right.
So question is, what will be the output of the following query? So select EID from employee and department D, where D dot department ID equal to E dot department ID and D dot building in B2. So what will be the output of this query?
Yeah, so select E from employee ID from department D where D. So it will be two records, E002
E0,
and E005.
okay, E002 and E005. Okay. Then select EID from employee where department ID equal to D002. So what will be this SQL query?
Again, E002 and E005.
Okay, E002 and E005, right?
Right.
Okay, then what will be the this SQL query?
Again, same E002 and E005.
Okay, E002 and E005.
Right.
Okay. Then sorry. So select EID from employee E department D where D dot department ID equal to E dot department ID and D dot building in B2. You know all select EID from employee where D department ID equal to D002. So what will be output of this query? You know all right.
Yeah, so E002 and E005
A002,
and
A005
E005.
and also E002 and E005, right? Because union all, right? Because union all return duplicate values. That's why it will returns 4 rows E002, E005, then E002 and E005, right?
Right, exactly, correct.
Okay. Then accept all
Yeah,
this.
so except all, so
Yeah.
E002 and E005 should not be published,
So yes.
and the
Then
output should be
okay,
blank.
okay. See, accept all means suppose. Okay, let's take example. Suppose there one sets, suppose once one two, and there is, suppose this is one SQL query
What is the second
returns
digit? One.
one one and two,
Okay.
and another SQL query return suppose one. So this accept all, this minus this accept all returns one and two, because accept all will only minus one set. So if there is two sets, one and one, so it will minus one set. If there is accept, then it will minus both the things. It will return two if there is accept, but there is accept all, so it will returns one and two.
So it
So
works in a different way than union all, right?
yeah,
Union all publishes 2 times, but except all will just subtract one.
yeah, accept all subtract once.
But if we will write except, then
Yeah.
both will be deducted.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you return accept, then both will be deducted, but there is a accept all, so uh, only this will be means one set only will be deducted. So output will be the A002
Okay.
and A005. You got it?
Yes. Now
So
okay, clear.
I will also run SQL. Run this query. I'll also run in PostgreSQL. So let
Okay.
me please wait. Okay. So my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So select what is the table name? Can you show? Can you tell? Select start from
Yeah,
department.
sure.
What is the table name? Can you tell?
Yeah, just saying. Select E.eid
Okay, no, table name. Department.
from employee,
Okay, employee.
comma department.
Okay. So let's run this query. So this is, and select start from department,
Department, right?
Okay. So, and the SQL queries. So D00. Okay. So you see, so I will run one query. We will run suppose this query. So you will see. No, this is not. Sorry. This is not okay. Sorry. This query, right? Hello.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
How did you bring this query?
Just copy paste.
Oh, okay, copy paste. Okay.
Yeah. So I will run one by one. So if you run this SQL query, you will see E002 and E005, and I will run this query. So you can see E002 and E005, and similarly third query also returns E002 and E005. So then I will run this. So if you see, you will all
Okay.
return duplicate value. So E002, E005, then E002, then E005. Then if you runs all the SQL query, it will return A002, A005. You got it?
Yeah, and can you show me removing except or removing
Oh,
all from the?
yeah, yeah. So it returns, I think 0, mean null. So
Okay.
nothing.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Okay. And then which question?
The next question, fourth. So Cartesian product of a table with a table is a bit tricky in this particular question, and that's where I'm not able to get the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will explain. You'll
sure.
understand. Don't worry. Please wait 1 minute. So
Yeah, sure.
let me share my screen. This question, right? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the question? How many row will be printed as the result of the following query? Okay. So what means this only this query? What will return? Can you tell? Hello.
Yeah. So we will have four rows, and that will be D001 50,000, D002
Okay. So D001
50,
50,000. Okay, 50,000. Okay, 50. Okay, then
D002 30,
D002 30.
D003 35,
D003 35.
and D004 45.
D004
45.
45. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, right. Then okay, this will return, right?
Yeah. This
So
is would be the output for the first statement.
okay. So first, so minimum salary. So this row will be first, then this will be right because minimum salary, then department ID, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So
Right.
this
Right.
will be first, and this will be
Second.
second.
Right. Right.
Okay. Then select E1 dot salary, then E1 dot department ID from employee and employee 2. So basically, this is the self join.
Yes.
Employee 1, employee 2. Then where E dot salary is greater than E2 dot salary, right? Okay. Suppose like this, there is also this is suppose let's assume this is E1, and there is another table EID, ename, salary, then mm, then department ID, right? So this is suppose that this is E2, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Then salary will be like 50,000, 45,000, right? This 50,000, then 45,000, right? Then where condition E1 dot salary is if is greater than E2 dot salary, then it will print, right? So hello.
Yeah. So only one value is expected to be printed, correct?
No,
That is
no, no.
okay.
So suppose see,
Yeah, I mean, you go ahead, please explain.
uh,
That's fine.
okay. So for this, suppose you want not salary. So let's similar table. Let's paste it. That will be good. Okay. So please. So, so my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what happened? You want not salary. So it will suppose that this you want not salary. Then it will compare with every salary. If satisfy any one condition, suppose 50,000. So 50,000 is greater than 50,000,
No.
greater than 45,000.
Yes.
So it will print, right?
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Then
Yes, sir.
then against then against 45,000. 45,000 is greater than 50,000.
So 50,000, it will go across for everything, right? From 50
Yeah,
till
for everything.
85.
Yeah, for everything. If it's greater than any of one of the value, then it will print.
And it will print salary and department ID.
Yeah, salary and department ID.
Okay. So in this case, when it will compare, it will print
Or
E001, D001.
uh,
Then
uh,
again, it will print E00. What will it print when it will come to row number 3?
yeah. So it will print uh, uh, row number 3, right?
No. So
So,
I'm saying it starts, right? E001, it picks up 50,000,
yeah,
and then it is comparing with row number 2,
yeah,
E00 of E2.
yeah. If it's satisfied, then it will print uh, a salary and the department ID.
Then again, when it will come to row number 3, again it will print E001 and department ID, right?
Yeah, I like that.
So multiple times E001, wherever 50K will be greater than the salary, it will again print from
Yeah,
From
uh,
E1, right?
yeah, from E1,
Okay.
like that. So if you see the lowest salary will not print it, right? Lowest salary. So if you think A005, I think 30,000, right? Lowest salary is 30,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this will E005 will not print, right? Hello.
Yeah.
So this will not print. So if you intersect these two things, it will only print 3 rows, because one will be not
Okay.
printed E005. Did you got it? Or
Yes, I got
I will explain one sentence.
it.
Okay. Okay. Then which questions? Hello.
Fifth question.
Okay. Okay, 1 second. So okay, so let's this questions let's discuss with Postgres. That will be better.
Okay, fine.
You will so this is fourth question, right? So if you run this query, you will got like uh, minimum salaries and the department ID 45,000, then D004, 35,000, then D003, like this, right?
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah.
And if you run this query, so if you see, sorry. So you will see 50,000
Okay.
D001, 50,000 D001, like this. You got it? Means means conceptual logically you got it.
Yes. Got
So
it.
then if you see digital lowest salary, which is the lowest
30.
salary?
30.
Means department ID is
Department ID
I think
is D002.
okay. So
D002.
if you no, I think department E005 EID, sorry, E005
EID, huh?
uh,
EID is 30. Yeah. Yeah.
E005. So uh, okay, so if you've seen, so uh, D005 is not theirs, right?
So minimum salary, department ID is D002.
Okay, let me see.
For employee ID 005, salary is 30K, department ID is 002.
Okay, so you want dot. So you have, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's right. It's not getting printed, right?
Yeah, it's right. It's not getting it. Okay, so next questions.
Question number 5. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I will discuss.
So
So
just
please.
two questions. Question number 5 and then question number 8. That's
Yeah. I will explain. Whatever you doubt, I will express. Not worry. This question, right?
yes.
Okay, so question is write the numbers of tuple faced by the following query. So sorry, select EID from employee and department. This is the cross join, right?
This is what?
Cross join, select EID from employee then department, right? So this is the cross join from employee and department.
Yes. Okay.
So means what will be the output of this this query? Only this query
From employee and department.
from employee and the department.
We will get EIDs from both.
Yeah. So suppose select stars from employee and the department. What will be the output?
Combine.
When what is the numbers of tuples? Can you tells the numbers of rows? This is the
20.
28, right?
28.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it will print E001 with D001, D002, D003, D005, right? Like this. Hello? Hello? So select EID from employee and department. So what will print?
So Subhendu, over here,
E001.
it will print, but the attributes that will be printed will be only these 4, right? EID, e-name, salary, and department ID.
Yeah, see. It will print. You are talking about this query. This query.
Yeah. What you
So
have just written.
it will print EID, ename, salary, department ID, again department ID, then DNAME and building. I will show in post case.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
So this query will print E001 4 times.
Yes, sir.
E001. Yes. E001. Then E002 4 times. Like this, it will print all the it will means all the tuples. It will print 4 times. You got this query? What
Okay.
is the output?
Yeah.
Then select EID from employee. So it will print only the EID, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
And also
Again, same.
so and the so what will be the this output?
It will.
It will
I don't
print
know.
3 times E001, 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 then E002 3 times, right? Because it will subtract only one sets. There is a E001 4 times, then E004 times, like this. So you will subtract one set, select EID from employee, the E002, E003, E005. So it will subtract only one times. So it will print E001, E001, E001 3 times, then E002 3 times, then E003. You got it? So the number of tuples will be 21, right? It will subtract 7th row.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah. So and one is asking you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Hello? And one is asking what is your name?
Yeah.
Who's
Yeah.
ask?
Got it.
Oh,
Got it. Got
okay.
it. Yeah.
So what is your name?
My name is Apul.
Okay, Apul. Apul, you got it?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Okay. Then this is the 21 rows.
Yeah.
And after the accept all, select EID from employee. So it will subtract 7 again 7 rows.
Okay.
There will be 14 double, right?
Okay. Fine.
Okay, so I think you did not understand properly. I will show in Postgres, so that will be better. Hello,
Yeah. Yeah.
hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Please ask if you have any doubt.
No, I understood. So
Okay.
with multiple statements of except, I was not able to understand how it is behaving. Okay.
Okay, okay. I will tell in Postgres. Okay. So please wait.
And have you made all these database in your Postgres, or is it
Yeah.
available for everyone that we can simply use the queries and see?
So
How is it?
yeah, if you see if you want to explore, you can create because
We have to create, right? It is
yeah,
not
yeah.
automatically available, right?
Yeah, because
Okay.
this if you create the database, it will also means grabs the your knowledge means DDLs, insert DDL. You can create because you can explore, right? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, please. So my Postgres screen is visible, right?
Yes. Visible.
Okay. So if you just select EID from department, so then again E002 3 4 5 6 7. Then again E002, E003, E004, E005, E006, E007 again, right? Then again means
Why is it
E0.
coming again, sir?
So this see numbers of tuples means sequence of tuples is not defined. So if you again run the query, it may defines, right? So if you see E001 is 4 times, E002 is 4 times like this, right? Hello.
Yes.
Then this will print only E001, E002, E004, 5, 6, 7, right? So, and if you run this query like this, so if you run this query, if you you will see E003 is 3 times, E004 is 3 times, E001 is 3 times, like this. It is now 21, right? Then again accept all. It will returns 14 now.
14. Okay.
So Apple, you got it. If you have any problem, you can ask.
Svindu, I got it.
Okay. And what is your next questions?
Can you just show by removing all from except what happens?
Oh yeah, sure. So yeah, my screen is visible. So which part?
Yeah.
A second.
From anywhere, just remove all.
Okay. So see. It will print nothing. because you will subtract all.
Everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, you got it.
Yes.
Okay, and what is your next question?
Eighth question.
Okay, so please wait. This question, right? Hello.
Yes, right. Right.
Okay. So select some salary from employee. Sorry. Select some salary from employee where salary is greater than 35,000. So group by department ID, having some salary greater than 50,000 and some salary less than equal to 1 lakh. So select from employee some from salary. So can you tell us greater than means numbers of tuples will return greater than 35,000 means salary is greater than 35,000. Can you tell
Yeah.
which?
D001, D002.
Okay, so
Yeah, E001, 1, 2,
okay,
then
already we have.
E003.
So actually, where condition means applies on tables. So not means group means having condition will applies on group by. So first we have to see which tuples will returns. So 50,000 is greater than 35,000, right?
Hmm.
So this will return.
Hmm.
And 45,000 is greater than 35,000. So this will return. Hello.
Yeah, yes.
And 45,000 is greater than 35,000. This will also return.
Yes.
35,000 is greater than 35,000.
No.
So this will not return. 30,000
No.
is greater than 35. This will not return. This will return and this will
Yes.
return.
Yes.
Right. Then group by department ID. So you have to groups according to the department ID. So group by department ID and condition is some salaries greater than 50,000 and some of salaries less than 1 lakh means according to the group. So if you D001, so D0, where is D001? This place. So salary is suppose 50,000. Where is D001?
Nowhere else. Just
Okay.
one.
So sum of salary D001 will be 50,000, right?
Yes.
Okay. 50,000. And then D002. So
45.
okay, 45,000. Then where is D002?
Nowhere.
Okay, so 45,000. And where then the D004, right? Hello.
No, D003 also, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, okay.
D003. Yeah. So D003. So any D003.
80.
Yeah. So 80,000. And any other tuples?
And 4.
Okay. So this will sum of salary is 80,000, right? And D004. Right?
Yes.
So what will be the D004 means sum of total 85,000 and 45,000. So what will be the sum?
1 lakh 30.
1 lakh something.
30.
1 lakh what happened? 1 lakh.
1 lakh 30.
1 lakh 30. So 1 lakh 30. Yeah. So sum of salary is greater than 50,000. This is greater than 50,000 and
No.
less than So this will not print.
Okay.
This is greater than 50,000.
No, sir.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
This is greater than 50,000 and less than.
1 lakh, right?
So
Okay.
this will print, and this will not print because this is not less than.
80. Okay.
Then you have to print select sum of salary. The sum of salary will be 80,000.
Okay.
You got it? This question?
Yes, Subindu, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. And other than this, if you have any question, you can ask.
No, nothing
Hello.
else. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah. Yes, Subhendu. So I just want to add one thing. So if you see
Yeah.
the previous query, the order of execution will be first. It will execute the from clause, means from table. Then it will apply the where condition. Then it will apply the group by condition, and then having clause. And after that, it will select based on this filtering condition. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you mention having clause, if you use having clause before the group by clause, then it will throw an error. So the order of execution is from, where, group by, having, then select. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
It.
Thanks.
Yes, Subhendu, continue.
So yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So we will discuss now. Cut means done. Hello. Yeah.
Sir, practice SQL
Your
question.
voice is not audible.
Sir, can I type?
Yeah. You can type. So Anjana, I think we can start join part. Hello.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So hello everyone. So last day somebody had some doubts in the join part, like regarding cross join and natural join. So can the one unmute and what the problem is?
Ma'am, I have that doubt.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Ma'am, please discuss that. I didn't get that in videos.
What is it? What is your question?
Ma'am, I didn't get that natural joined example what the video discussed.
Okay, you did not get the uh, which video? Can you tell the lecture number?
Wait a minute, ma'am.
Yes.
And then I think we can explain natural join part. Yeah, that will be better.
Okay. So, so let us begin with the joins part at first.
Ma'am,
So,
week
join.
2,
Yeah.
lecture number 4.
Okay. So we'll go line by line. Okay, one by one. We'll go like one by one. Join part, the types of join, and then we'll get to natural join. Okay.
Ma'am, week 2, lecture number 4.
Okay. So join operation basically combines two table or relation. It basically acts as a
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Cartesian product do? What a Cartesian product? Yeah. Yeah, please go ahead.
Anjana, your voice is break. Can you explain once again?
Hello.
Yeah. Now it's
Lecture
audible.
number 4.
Sorry.
Ma'am, week 2,
Hello.
lecture number 4.
Week
Hello.
2, like okay. We can discuss it. My voice is audible, right?
Yeah. We'll discuss after after the explanation. So you can go ahead.
Okay. So can anybody tell what a Cartesian product does? Like what is the job of a Cartesian product? Anyone?
Provide all types of relations.
Sorry. Hello.
Provide all types of relation between the sets.
Okay, like what, say for example, we have two table A and table B, and it consists, both the tables consist of certain tuples. So if we perform a Cartesian product, what will we get in the output? Am I audible? Is my question clear?
The Cartesian product will be the combination of both the tables.
Right.
Like if one table, like for example, if one table has got say 10 rows and another has got 5, so there will be 50 rows.
50 rows, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
right. That's correct. Okay. So there are a number of joins: cross join, inner join, outer join, natural join, self join also. So at first, let us discuss about the cross join. So cross join is basically known as a Cartesian product. It combines each tuple in the left table with each tuple in the right table and returns all the possible combination of rows. So if you can see, this is the syntax of a cross join. Here we have used the clause select clause, table 1, column 1. This column 1 belongs to the first table and this column 1 belongs to the table 2. From table 1, cross join table 2. So this is the syntax of a cross join. Now let us see by using an example. So we are using the LISDB. So let us combine the students table and members table. At first, let's check select star from students. It gives us these. Then select star from members. So let us perform a cross join on the students table and members table. So select star. Let us just not take any column right now. Let us just simply take star from the first table, students, cross join, members. Now let us run this query. So as you can see that we are getting all the attributes of the student table as well as all the attributes of the members table. So this is how we perform cross join. One more equivalent way to perform cross join is we can simply write select star from students, comma, members. Like this is an equivalent way, so it will also result in the same output. Okay, so that is it about the cross join. Anybody any doubt in cross join?
So it's same as the Cartesian product, right? The cross join.
It is not the same as a. It is basically a Cartesian product only. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So then we'll head to inner join. So an inner join basically combines two tables or relations that have matching values and create it into a single relation. So this is the syntax of the inner join. Select column 1 of table 1, column 1 of table 2. From table 1, inner join table 2, and then we use this on clause to like check the equality. Table 1 dot column 1. This column 1 and column 2 should be the same attribute with the same data type in both the tables. So let us like try to understand it with an example. So again, let us combine students table. So if you can remember, okay, just a minute. In the students table, we have this roll number. And in the members table, we also have this roll number. So remember that the roll number is the common attribute among both the tables, right? So what we'll do is select star from students, inner join, members on students dot roll number equals to members dot roll number. Now let us run this query. So yeah, we'll get all the attributes of both the tables. We can also use it in one more way. I hope all of you are aware of LIS, right? Anybody? Do you know what LIS is? If anybody knows, then please unmute yourself and tell.
Another name for particular table or column we can
Right.
have
So what keyword do we use for LIS?
as
Right, exactly. So what we'll do is we'll take the students as S and members as M, and instead of writing this whole students, what we'll do is we'll just take S dot roll number and M dot roll number, and then we'll run this query. We'll get the same output. So this is just another easier way to like use, instead of writing the entire students, you can simply write the LIS that you have given. So that is what happens in an inner join. Then we have outer join. So an outer join can, yeah, anybody any doubt in inner join? Sorry.
So Anjana, if I, instead of writing inner join
Hmm.
in the same query, I write
Right.
cross join and give
Okay.
the same condition, it will give me the same thing, right?
Let's
I'm assuming it will give the same thing.
okay, let's check. So, there is a syntax error. Can you tell why? The on operator, the on clause that we are using, it needs to be used with inner join or left outer join, right outer
Okay.
join, outer joins. In cross join, we don't need to use this on clause, right?
That's where it is giving this error. Okay.
Yeah, that's where it is giving the error. So say for example, we are simply running it as the cross join, and then we'll run the inner join.
Yeah, so if you want to join those two tables, student and members, by using cross join, means if you want to get the same table, instead of on, you can use where clause. Where s dot roll number equals to m dot roll number. You will get the same output.
Right. I'll just show it to you. That's where it's in. So here, if you can remember that the common tables were roll number, question. So let's run this. So as you can see, it is giving the same output, right? If we use the where clause with the cross join.
And we will have roll
Yeah,
number
yeah.
only once. The
Sorry?
attribute roll number, it will be just once, right?
It will be once. No. It will be twice. If you can see this roll number
Yeah.
and here again.
Okay.
That will be going through further. I'll tell you where we'll get only one roll number column. Okay, so let's head to any other doubts in inner join? Okay, so we'll head to outer join. So an outer join basically returns the rows which are not common in one or two tables. So there are three types of outer join. They are left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So let us at first begin with left outer join. So left outer join basically returns all the rows from the left table and the rows that match values in the join column from the right table. So then this is the syntax of the left outer join. It is similar to the inner join, just instead of inner, we have to use left. Now let us take an example. So let us just consider that student table is the left table and member table is the right table. So let us at first check. So let's start from students. So it is returning, please remember it is returning 52 rows and select start from members. It is returning 68 rows. Okay. Now let us perform a left outer join. Select star from students. Since we are taking students as a left outer join, basically left table. So left join members on S and then is the role number question and the role number. Now let's run this query. Okay, so as you can see that we are getting 52 rows only. And if you can remember that the students table has 52 rows. Now for better understanding, what we can do is we can simply like reverse the tables. Like we can make the students table as the right table and the members table as the left table, and let's see what we get. So if you can see, we are getting 68 rows. So what it basically does is it will take all the rows from the left table and it will return only those tuples from the right table which are common with the left table. So any doubts in left outer join? Anyone?
Could you explain once again?
Okay. Where are you having the trouble?
Like I'm not able to understand how this left join worked. I was watching, but I don't understand.
So what happens in left join is, in left join, say for example, we have two tables, right? Students table and members table. So what we'll do is we are considering students table as the left table and members table as the right table, right? So in left outer join, it will give as the all the tuples from the left table, that is the students table, and it will only fetch those tuples from the members table, that is the right table, which are similar or which are common, which are basically common with the left table. Am I clear?
Okay.
You get the point, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any other doubt in outer join? Left outer join? Okay. So in right outer join again, it's just the opposite. Like all the rows from the right table will be fetched along with all the rows that match values in the join column from the left table. So this also has the same syntax, just we will be using right instead of left. So let us again select star students right join members on let's run this. Okay, so as you can see that we are getting 68 rows, and 68 rows was present in the members table, right? So in right outer join, it will take all the tuples from the right table. So here we are considering members as the right table. So anybody any doubt in right outer join or left outer join? Anyone?
Ma'am, why do we need right outer join? Can we do the same? I mean, can we get the output using left outer join? I mean, if we exchange the table instead of student,
Yeah.
I will
Yeah. Yes. As I showed, right? Like here also, what I did was I reversed the tables, right? Like in the very first case, what I did was I took select star from the students, left join members, right? What that was resulting in was 52 rows. I'm just taking 52 rows as a difference, okay? And then what I did is I reversed the tables. That is, I took members table as the left join and students table as the left table and students table as the right table. So it gave me the same result that it will give in the right outer join in this particular query.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
So any other doubt? Okay. So we'll move to full outer join. So a full outer join basically returns all the rows from all the relations. So it also has the same like syntax, just instead of left, right, or inner, we have to use full outer join. So again, I'll just copy this particular code only. And then we can so let us run this query. So if you can see, it will fetch all the rows. It is fetching all the rows, if you can see. All the rows from the students table as well as from the, it will at first fetch all the tuples from the left table, then from the right table, and then all the tuples that are unmatched among both the relations, basically. So I hope outer join is basically clear to all of you. Anybody, any doubt? Okay, then we'll head to natural join. So a natural join basically combines or joins two tables based on the same column name or same data type. It can also be inner join if we do not explicitly mention the keyword natural. It is a natural inner join. So this is the syntax of a natural join. Here, what the difference is that we do not need to specify the equality between two columns, like from two different tables that we were using in the inner join or the outer join. The on clause, using the on clause, the equality that we were using in natural join, we do not need that. It will automatically like check the since it will be combining only those, it will be combining tables based on the same attribute and same data types, right? So it will automatically like am I audible?
Your voice was breaking, Anjana, in the middle.
Students. Hello, am I audible now?
Right now audible, but it was breaking like few seconds ago.
When you were explaining it, it wasn't very clear.
So shall I explain natural join again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a natural join basically combines or joins two tables based on the same column name or the same data types and the same data type. Basically the same attribute name and the same data type. So certain columns need to be equal, that particular
Hello.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not
required in natural join, which will hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Anjana, you
Yes.
in the middle your voice is breaking.
Hello? Yeah, am I audible now?
I think there is some network issue. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes. Maybe voice is breaking, ma'am. When you were explaining again, like what happens in natural join.
Okay, is my voice clear now? Audible now?
Yes, right now it is very clear.
Okay, so what basically happens in natural join is it will combine
it's breaking again.
tables based on the same attribute.
Ma'am, again same problem.
Like when you said natural join after that.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have an unstable network. Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, I'll explain natural join again. So, till where have you all heard?
Like you were explaining natural what happens in natural join, and then your voice break.
Okay. So, like if you're, yeah.
Ma'am, can you explain natural join completely?
Yeah, I'm explaining natural join only.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Okay. So, okay, I'll start from the beginning. So, natural join basically combines two tables based on their same attribute name and same data type.
Again,
If you all can remember,
Hello,
again it's breaking.
Anjan, I think your voice is breaking. Okay.
yes, voice is breaking again.
Ma'am, you can rejoin the meeting again.
Yes, Anjan, you can try rejoin. Until now, I will take that part. Natural join, I will take. Okay. You can rejoin it again. Yeah, so let's discuss natural join part now. Okay. Yeah, so is my screen is visible? We will take LIS database only. So first, let us see the schema for LIS database. We'll take one example. Okay. So, okay. So what natural join will do, it will join the two tables based on the common attribute. Okay. Say suppose here members and team. Practice question 1 more FLIS. Yes. So suppose if I want to join these two tables, right? Matches and match referee. Okay. So what are the common attributes name is there? Like if matches and match referee. Select star from matches. Here you can see match number, right? That is the primary key from matches table, and then select star from match underscore referee. Right, referees. Match referees. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Say suppose now I want to join these two tables, so I can perform natural join. Okay, because this natural join, what it will do, it will join these two tables based on the common attribute. Now here the common attribute between these two tables are match number, right? Here you can see match number and match number, right? So syntax for that is select star from matches, just use natural join and then match underscore referees. Okay. Now one thing you can observe here, like Anjana has explained about the cross join, right? So when she applied condition where s dot roll number equal to say m dot roll number, then that roll number came twice. But here you can see in the case of natural join, this match number is common in both the tables, but here the match number will come only once. Okay, here you can see this match number, this attribute is only there is only one column for this common attribute, that is match number. But in the case of cross join, so suppose I do here instead of natural join, I do cross join, and then I apply the condition where matches dot match underscore number equal to match underscore referees. I will get the same output, okay, in both the cases, but the number of columns will be different here. Number of rows will be same. Match underscore number. 16 rows. Now here you can see match underscore number, and here also match underscore number. But when we perform the natural join operation, it will join these two tables based on the common attribute name. Okay. Now, someone was asking about the practice assignment question 1. So there we have to join two tables, right? I think one is managers table and other one is players table. But here, can anyone tell me what are the common attribute between managers and players table? These two are visible, right? Managers and players table. Can we perform natural join operation between these two tables? I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Can we perform natural join operation between these two tables? So suppose I write query select star from managers natural join players.
No,
It will
sir.
be a correct query or not?
Since team ID is common in both tables,
Yes. And
so
also name is also common here. You can see name, right?
yeah, name is also.
And
But
date of
here,
birth also.
But name of managers will be there, right?
yes, yes. The name of a managers is different and name of players will be different,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So it will result in an empty set. So I
Team
think
team ID makes sense, right?
yeah, team ID makes sense. If there is only one common attribute, then we can join those two tables. If there are more than one common attribute, then it will that natural join will do. It will based on the common field, like in both the attributes, it will join those two tables. So suppose there is team ID T001 and here also team ID T001, and here name is say Ramesh and here also name is Ramesh. Then only it will join that. Then we'll get only one row, that is team ID and that Ramesh. Okay. But here in this case, manager's name is not same as player's name. So if we
So
run this
SQL
query,
will not consider any difference between the columns. It's like common sense. Manager's name will be different and player's name will be different.
no, SQL only take this name, attribute name. That's it.
Yeah, right.
If there is common attribute name, then it will simply try to join based on that. Yeah.
Wherever it finds common name.
Yeah.
So manager name can be Ramesh also, player's name can be Ramesh also.
Yeah. So then it will join those tables based on that condition only. But that will not be a correct one, right? We don't want that thing. We want to join these two tables. So, but we cannot perform natural join operation. So in this case, we use inner join. So select star from managers, inner join players on managers.team ID equals to players.team ID. Okay. Does anyone have any doubt? I will start. Players, natural join, members, sorry, managers. Let's see what happens. It is written in empty set because the name of manager and player is not same here, right? Here you can see select star from players. Name is you can see 71 names are there, but the name of player and manager is different. So here you have to use inner join, okay, in this case. But if there is only one common attribute between the two tables, then you can simply do the natural join. So here in this case, you can see.
Sorry, Piyush, I did not get this. The last query that you have run.
Okay.
Why is it not showing?
No, I just simply run this query. Select star from players.
When you selected complete, why did it not show anything? Natural
Because
join managers?
there is no common name between the players and the managers in the table. If you see, there is no common name between players and managers.
Okay.
See, natural join what internally it will do, it will try to search for the common attribute. If there is common attribute, then it will simply join those two tables based on that common attribute only.
So the table is created, the relation is created, but it does not have any tuple, right?
Yeah, this does not. You can see empty table here.
Yeah, empty table.
Yeah.
So syntactically, this is correct.
Yeah, syntactically this is correct.
But because there is no common name, that's where no tuple is there. Yeah, fine, okay.
Yeah. So here you cannot do natural join. Simply you can do here inner join. Managers on players dot team underscore ID equal to managers dot.
We can do natural join, but it will not be correct.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Will not get the required output.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you can see. Yeah.
Hmm.
Now we are getting. Yeah, that's it. So that is about the natural join and cross join. Okay. So suppose just one question. So there is student table have 4 column. Okay, no. Okay, any doubt in this natural join part? Someone asked this question, right? I think I'm not sharing my screen. Sharing,
Sir,
right? Yes.
sir, if we apply cross join instead of inner join, then what will happen?
Cross join, it will simply do the Cartesian product. Like if there are 5 rows in one table and 10 rows in another table, it will simply perform the Cartesian product. Means we will get the 50 rows, but the combination of all the rows.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse me,
yes.
sir.
Yes, your
Sir,
voice is pretty low.
you said that natural join will combine the common attribute name, but team ID is also common in both tables.
Yeah, team ID is also common, but name is also there, na?
What will select star do then?
Yes. Select star from players. The name is not common here. Okay. So wait. Date of birth is there, and here date of birth. Date of birth is common. We need to check again. Because what it will do, it will join this table based on the date of birth, team ID, and name. But here name is not same and date of birth is also not same. So that's why it is giving an empty row. So if I add, yes, the team ID is same. Yeah. So if you watch the lecture, sir has explained that here we have to take the intersection of the attributes. Say the intersection means the common attributes are there, and based on that attribute only it will join the table. So name, date of birth, and
the question there was what exactly that select star is doing over there. Select star is actually just to
just to
all.
Just to fetch all the tuples, all the attributes.
All the tuples which is actually matching all these criteria. That you
yeah, all the attributes. Yeah. Maybe we can insert one row having the all the 3 attribute common, then we can see. But I need to check whether we can insert that because foreign key constraint may be there, right? Team ID, then we have to add team ID here also, then only we can add the manager's team ID. Okay, you can simply create 2 tables, try to perform the natural join. Okay. Okay, any doubt in natural join cross product, anything? Okay, anyone has tried the practice question?
Yes, sir.
Just any doubt in this part? Okay.
Sir, practice question number 3. Similarly, we have to join that with natural join in question number 3.
SQL assignment?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. This is question number 1. Practice, no? Let me check. So here you have to find an SQL statement to find the name of managers of the team All Star. So we have to find out name of manager. So we'll get the name from managers table, right? So that this is the name. And what is the condition of the team? All star, and the team name all star. So in the managers table, team name is not there. So where is the team name? In the teams table, right? So it means to apply the condition, we need to join these two tables. How to join these two tables? So if we perform the natural join here, it will simply join these two tables based on the common attribute. Now here the common attributes are team ID and name, and here you can see name and team underscore ID. So if you perform natural join here, it will result in an empty set. Does anyone can tell me the correct query for this?
Star.
Yes, anyone? What will be the correct query for this question?
So managers.team ID should be equal to teams.team ID.
Managers TM inner join teams
Dot team ID
T on T dot team underscore ID
ID
equal to
managers
M
dot
managers sorry team underscore ID. And
Yeah.
here the name belongs to the managers table, right? We have to find the manager's name. And what is the condition? Where team name is all star. So where team name, so T dot name. So T dot name is team's name, and here M dot name is manager's name. Okay, so M belongs to manager's table. The T dot name equals to all star.
Excuse me.
Yes, anyone?
Which question it is actually, like week 2 practice question?
Week 2 practice question number 1.
Oh, question number 1 it is.
Okay, all stars.
Okay.
So let's do the test run.
Okay.
Here you can see 100 by 100. So query is correct. You can see the output also here. Correct, select query, and then output is name add-on. Okay. Now if you run this same query in the PG admin, we'll get the same output. Now instead of inner join, I can use cross join also. And instead of on, I can use where clause. And here I have to remove this where and put and. Okay. So we are joining this table and applying this condition. Okay. Now do the test run. See, we are getting the same output, Adam. Okay. Yeah. Yes, anyone was asking some question number 3, right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the issue here?
Sir, we have to join these two tables also with natural join.
Okay. So find the titles of a books. Title of a book will get from this book underscore catalog table by an author having the first name as Joe Paul. So for author's name is there in book underscore authors, and last name is okay. So we need to join these two tables, right? Book underscore catalog and book authors. But is there any common attribute? Yes, only ISBN number is a common attribute here. So in this case, you can use natural join. So you have to select zip.
Sir,
So please
it is important. Is it
Yes.
important to use natural join in this question? Because I tried in
No, not
Postgre
important.
to my answer was coming, but when I tried on this portal, so it was showing error. So that's why.
No, not important. You can use inner join also here. Okay, what we have to find out? Titles of a book. Okay, so title. Select title from book underscore catalog natural join book underscore authors. And now we have to apply the condition where author first name. So author underscore F name equal to Joe Paul. Joe, Paul, and author underscore L name equal to G double T R. So this is case sensitive. Okay, you should type in the capital on Muller. Okay, let's try to run this. Here you can see test run 100. Okay, you can try out the other question also, and please try on this portal. Okay, so for the OP we have OP for this course. So for the OP you will get the same interface. Okay. Yeah. So any other doubt?
Sir, we can do these question without performing join operation.
Without performing join operation, yeah, we can simply do the cross product and apply the condition, or we can use the subquery part also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, subquery is not covered in this lecture, right? In this week.
Yeah, subquery is week 3, so you can use in operators so instead of join. So see, there is multiple way you can write the query.
Yes, so we have not covered that part, subquery part in week 2. So next week we'll do that subquery thing. Yeah.
So yeah, so now I will see aggregate functions, right? Hello.
Sir, can you please tell like how to find the maximum number of super keys when the candidate key is given? There's a question in the practice assignment for the same.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, let me share this my screen. So my screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose hello. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So suppose there is an one relations, means one tables, and the attributes is A, B, and C. Suppose A is the primary key or candidate key. A is candidate key. So, and can you tell what is the super key? A, then AB, then
AC.
sorry, AC, yeah, AC,
ABC.
ABC, and anything else?
BC.
BC.
Yeah, BC can also be.
BC, why? A is the only candidate key.
Oh, okay.
So how many?
4.
Yeah, 4. So suppose there are 4 attributes A, B, C, and D. Suppose A is the candidate key. Then what will be the super key? Can you tell?
AB.
A, then AB, then
BC, AD, AC.
AC, then AD, then
ABCD.
ABC, ABC, and ABD.
CD. Oh.
ACD.
Then ACD.
Yeah.
BCD.
Then ABCD, right?
Yeah.
So numbers of super keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Hello.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So suppose there are 3 attributes in a relationship, and one is candidate key. Their numbers of super key is 4. So there is simple formula 2 to the power n minus 1, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So there is 3 attributes. So numbers of candidate will be 2 to the power n. Suppose only one is the candidate key. Suppose only one attribute is the candidate key, then 2 to the power n minus 1. That will be 4, right? Hello.
So this n is a candidate key or number
No,
of
no, n is number of attributes. So there is 3 attributes. So 2 to the power 3 minus 1 is 2 to the power 2 is 4. And if you can see there is 4 attributes. So 2 to the power 4 minus 1 will be 2 to the power 3. Then it will be 8, right? So there will be 8 candidate key, right? So 8 super key, right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Suppose there are so yeah. So let me suppose in ABCD. Suppose there are A and B candidate key. Then how many super key will be there? Can you tell?
16.
No. There will be common, right? Some commons also.
Yeah.
So can you tell how many? Anyone?
BC, BD.
So you can.
So ABC and BAC will be common, or will they be considered common or something else?
They will be common, right?
Common.
Yeah. So can you tell? Then there will be one candidate key B.
BCD.
Then BC. Then BD. Right.
BCD.
BCD.
BDC.
BDC is same, right?
BC.
Okay. B.
So now, sir, you have written D.
Can you tell once?
Sir, you have written D instead of B.
Oh yeah. Sorry. BCD. Then any? So there will be common. So there is in mathematics you will. So A union B is numbers of A plus numbers of B minus numbers of A intersection B, right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if only A is the candidate key, then numbers of super key will be only A is the candidate key, then numbers of super key will be 2 to the power 4 minus 1, right?
Oh, that. Yeah.
So 8. If only B is the candidate key,
8.
Then
Sir.
plus 8. If both are the candidate key, means A and B.
4.
So this will be 1. So minus 2 to the power AB, then CD. So to the power, I think this will be
2.
take single. So there will be how many attributes? 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1. So 8 plus 8, 16 minus 4. So there are 12 candidate key. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you can this is 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. You got it this right. This is simple mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you have any problem, you can ask. Hello. Hello, everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so shall I move to aggregate function?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, can you repeat the union parts? I didn't understand.
yes, sure. So yeah, which part? Union part, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in mathematics, you know numbers A union B equal to numbers of A plus numbers of B minus numbers of A intersection B. Okay, so see, Suppose A is the only candidate key, then numbers of super key will be 2 to the power 4 minus 1, right? 8.
Yes, sir.
Suppose only is the B is the candidate key. Suppose. So the numbers of super key will be 2 to the power 4 minus 1. Yeah, right?
Yes.
Then if A and B candidate key, then numbers of super key will be 2 to the power 3. This will means treated as single value. So 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Then 8 plus 8 minus 4 equal to 20. And similarly like this, you can similarly like this, you can practice. There is one question, so you can practice this question. If you have, after this, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got it, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So let's move to the aggregate function. So yeah, my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So aggregate functions are function that take collection of value as input and returns a single value. So some behaviors of aggregate functions are it operates on single columns and returns single values, and it ignores null values except count star. So for describing for explaining aggregate function, I will be using university database, and for that I will be mostly use instructor table. So let's see the first table. So if you see the tables, select start from instructor. So sorry. So that is fourth attributes ID. This is the primary key. The name of the instructor. This is the character values. Then department names, computer science, finance, music, etc. And then salary of the instructor. So basically there are 5 aggregate functions, mostly count, then sums, then average, then max and min. We'll see one by one. So count it. So what will it means count? What happens in count? So it returns numbers of value in a given columns, and count works on both numeric and non-numeric data types also. And the syntax is pretty simple, like select, count, then column names, then from table name, right? So we'll see one example. Suppose you want to find how many records in instructor table. Suppose if you want to find how many instructors in the table, so you can simply write select, count, stars from table name is instructor. So you will see there are 12 instructors in instructor table. So in count aggregate functions, you can also use where condition. Like if you see how many instructor in music department, so you can type write select count star from instructor. Hey, you have to give condition, right? You have to only find music department. So where anyone? Hello? Anyone where? Department name?
Underscore name.
Yeah. Hello.
Music.
Can you? Your voice is. There are only one instructor in the music department. Can you tell us once again? Your voice is visible.
Sir, no, sir. I didn't understand that music. What you are telling me.
Okay. So see. So you understand the upper parts of how to count the numbers of numbers of records in the table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose, okay, let's see the first table. Select start from instructor. So see, suppose if you want to find the how many instructor in music department. So that is name is music department. So you want to find how many instructor in music. If you want to find the it's like uh, numbers of instructor in the music department, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we can do, select counter instruct from instructor, and in the condition you can tell department name is music, right?
Yes, sir.
So you will find numbers of instructor in the music department. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So you'll find, okay. Then from aggregate function, it returns addition of a data value, and sum works only on numeric field only. Please remember, sums only works on numeric field only, and the syntax is pretty simple, like select, then sum, then column name, then from, then table name, right? Okay, so we will see on example from this. Suppose if you want to find sum of all instructor salary, so let's see the 1 second table. Select suppose if you want to find the sum of all instructor salary. Hello, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell the query, please? Select. Hello.
Some bracket
Sum bracket.
star from instructor.
Sum, then you have to also write column name, right? So which column you want to sum?
Salary.
Salary.
Yeah, salary from
Instructor.
Okay. So instructor. So yeah. So it will print the sum of instructors in the all the instructor salary. Okay, so it will also act on you can give her condition, like suppose if you want to find sum of math instructor salary. So what is mathematics department? Suppose if you want to find physics instructors, right? So what one can do? Select sum
Bracket salary from instructor, where department is equal to physics.
Name. Right.
Yes, sir.
So I'll find sum of physics instructor salary. Okay, then we'll see average aggregate function. So it returns the average of a data value, and average also works on only numerical field only. So let's see some example on average aggregate function. Suppose if you want to find the average salary of all instructors. So can anyone tell the query? Hello.
Select from instructor.
Okay, let's see the first table. Select. Suppose if you want to find the average salary of all instructors. So can you tell the select average, then salary
Salary from
from
instructor.
instructor. So it will print the average salary of all instructors. And you can also put our condition like find the average salary of instructor in the history department. So anyone tell the query? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, select average salary from instructor where department underscore name equal to history. Equals to history.
Right. So okay, you got it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So similarly, a max aggregate function will also work. So it returns maximums value of a columns, and maximum aggregate function it also works on numeric field only and non-numeric field only. Suppose we will see one example. Suppose you want to find find the names of instructor and find the maximum salary of instructor. So anyone tell how to write the query? Maximum salary of instructors.
Sir, select max column name. Sir, in column name we have to mention salary
Yeah, salary.
from instructor.
Okay, yeah, very good. So I will get maximum salary of instructor. Then there is one another aggregate functions is minimum aggregate function, and its syntax also is pretty simple. Like select.
Select mean.
Yeah, select
from instructor. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll tell the syntax part. So select mean, then column name, from table name. This is the syntax. Suppose will see one example. Suppose if you want to find the minimum salary of instructor, so anyone tell select
Mean salary and from instructor. Sir, from.
Oh, sorry. So I will find. Okay. So then we'll see one important topic, group by colors, right? So what's happened is group by colors. So it's actually grouping the value. So I will see one example in the PDF, then I will understand. So let me share.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, this aggregate functions, it is only column wise, or is it possible to do it row wise also?
Actually, this this works on mainly column wise. Oh. So yeah, aggregate function is works on column wise. So I'm not sure it's works on row wise or not. So I will see and I will get back to you.
How will it be row wise?
Row wise means like
you will have various values in a row. So how can it be row wise, this aggregate function?
No, it can be. Suppose if it is mark list of a class.
Huh? Sorry?
If it is a mark list of a class, okay. So you will have names at the left.
And various subjects marks on the right.
Subject marks on the right. Okay. So say name A has got physics so and so and all those things. So if you add,
but then that will be a different column altogether.
Yeah.
So that will be you can use that So SQL gives you the feature of adding sums and doing the mathematical functions. So you can do select and then column A, B, C divided by 5, and then you will get that query. I think so.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
DOD
So
Sobindu can explain that better, but I think this should be the way.
yeah. So see,
Mathematical functions can be used. Yeah.
Yeah. So see, aggregate functions mainly used on columnize. So yeah, mathematical function can be used. So yeah. So if I'm not sure about row wise it works or not. So I'll see and I'll get back to you in next session. Is aggregate function is works on row wise or not?
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So let me how group by clause works. Suppose suppose if you want to find means department names and the average salary of the instructors like this department names and the average salary of the instructor. So what happens is group by clause, it groups the according, suppose see group by department, so it's groups according to the same departments. So that is EC, computer science, then biology, then there are finance, history, then it takes average. So see this biology and average salary is 72,000. So it will take average of these three values. So if you take average 75,000 and 65,000 and 92,000, average will be this. Sorry, this computer science and biology. So it's biology, then average of this, only this value. So average will be then electric engineering, that you can see there is only one electric engineering, then average will be 80,000. Then finance department, so it will take average of only two values. So everyone understand how groups how group by clause works?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will see one example. So yeah, so let me share my PC admin. Suppose if you want to find department name and maximum salary of each department. So if you want to find like previously we've seen department name and average of the salary. So we have to print now department name and maximum salary of each department. So anyone want to? Hello?
Sir, first we can find the average, write the query for the average value.
Yeah, you can. So yeah, please tell, select.
Sir,
Then
select average.
yeah, we have to print department now also. So
Yes.
select department name, then average, then salary. Sir. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Then
from instructor.
Then
group by
department.
Yeah, very good. I think this will work. So it will print department name and the average. And please try this. So anyone want to help? Hello?
Sir, first select
Yeah.
department max salary.
Then
max salary.
Max. Yeah.
So then from instructor, then group by department.
Yeah. So I think this. So this is the group by clause. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. And practice questions, activity question. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, I think we can bind up the session. If you don't have any doubt, we can bind up the session.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have general doubt regarding installation of PG admin, sir. Can I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
Sir, I installed it successfully, but first time I enter password, it is accepted.
Yeah.
Then I further put password for connection with database. It is through wrong password. So why?
So can you please reinstall it? So I think.
Sir, I entered same password, na sir. I have to enter same password, na sir, which I.
Yeah. You have to enter some password. So,
Yes, sir. I am entering, but sir.
ROOT password group.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I think you have to enter the same password only, I guess.
Sir,
did you forget that password or it is not accepting that password?
No, sir, my password is correct. First time it is accepted. Then when I go with a second time where you have to connect with database, there it is showing wrong password. Sir, can I present my screen, sir?
No. Can you try the root ROOT?
Root, sir.
Yeah, password root ROOT.
ROOT. Only, sir, roots.
Yeah, small, only small.
Okay, sir. I am putting, sir.
Yeah.
You can try root or Postgres also. It may be default one.
Put root, but then again it's showing wrong password.
You try Postgres. 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 Postgres.
Sir, V.
Yeah. Can you check in the
Postgres? POSTRGRES.
Sir, I am not hearing, sir. Please repeat, sir.
Please check in the chat. Meet chat. Hello.
Yes, sir. I am putting, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it again showing wrong, sir. I sir put in is a small letter, sir. All word.
Okay, in small letter only. Okay. Because last time also like two students forgot their password, so they reinstalled the Postgres SQL and then it worked. So maybe you can try that also. Try to reinstall the Postgres.
Okay, sir. I am trying.
You can try it again.
I will try, sir.
Yes, yes.
I will reinstall.
Yeah, and you can post on Discourse also. Like if any other student faces the same issue, they can help you, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, yeah.
Any other doubt or question?
Yeah, I think we can bind up the session. So if you have no doubt, I think we can bind up the session. So thank you, everyone. So good night, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and good night.
Yeah, thanks.
Good night, sir.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
thanks.
everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Apul. Yeah, bye bye, everyone.
So good
Thank
night, sir.
you. Thank
Yeah,
you,
thank-
everyone.